Hey everybody, it's Don at X Outdoor Lighting. Today I'm going to show you how to program this timer. This is the one we most commonly use. This is the one we used to use, way more complex, unnecessarily complex, so we don't really use this one anymore. But this video will show you this one. So stay tuned. All right, let's get right into it. The first thing we want to do is just hit the reset button with a pen or paper clip. So we're starting with a clean slate. Once it's flashing, it's ready to go. So we're going to hit setup. Calendar is what it's asking for, or the date. So enter. We'll enter the year using the up arrow. We are in 2025. Enter. And then month, it's April. Enter. Day, it's the 28th. We use the down arrow to get to the 28th. Enter. And then clock. It wants us to set the time. Enter. It's about 12:15. Enter. DST, daylight savings time. It's asking us not if we're in or out of daylight savings time, it's asking us if we observe daylight savings time at this location, which we do. Enter, on, and now we're on to zone. Zone is how it knows where you are in the country. So enter, and then we'll just scroll up and down for our state. We're in Colorado, but of course you select whatever state you're in. Enter. Now it's showing us the time that dawn is here today. 6:15, 6:17, sounds legit. Enter, enter. Dusk, 7:45, sure. Enter, enter. Finally, we're at program. Enter. So what you see here is P1 on. The first thing we're setting is the program 1 on time. This thing holds like 32 programs. We're probably only going to use P1. Enter. And then the days flash up top. Most people just want their landscape lights on and off at the same time, 7 days a week. But we could use the up down arrows to scroll through different day schemes. But we'll just go back to 7 days a week. Enter. Now it's flashing dawn. Do we want our lights to come on at dawn? Probably not, but we might want them to come on at dusk, so we'd hit the up arrow. Now we're at dusk. If we went up one more, we could set a time, but we're going to go back down to dusk. Lights will come on at dusk. We hit enter, and it's showing us that today, lights will come on at 7:45. Enter. Now we're at P1 off. We're setting our off time. Enter. 7 days a week. Enter. Do we want our lights to turn off at dawn? Well, some people run their lights from dusk to dawn. Most people don't. We're going to set a time. So we will go up to time, hit enter, and let's turn them off at 1, enter, 05 a.m., enter. And now we're flashing P2. We don't have to set P2. If we had different days on and off, we would want to set different programs for those days, but we're just going to have one program on and off. So we're done. We're going to hit auto. So now we're in auto mode. The lights are presently off because it's the middle of the day. If we wanted to turn them on manually, we could come into our transformer and press this on and off button on the right to turn our lights on right now. But we don't want them on right now. We want them off. We want the program running. So it is Monday, 12:17 p.m. during daylight savings time, and we're on auto. If we wanted to review what we had set up, we could come in here and we could go setup and then up arrow till we get to program, enter, and then up arrow through the different settings. P1 on dusk, 7 days a week. P1 off, 1:05 a.m., 7 days a week. And that's all there is to it. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.